Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So now let's start environmental law series for UGC NET JRF Environmental Sciences GATE exam, UPSC exam, ICAR ASRB exam, CPCB, SPCBs and other relevant environmental science and environmental engineering exams. This environmental law series will help in every relevant exam of environmental science and environmental engineering. So firstly, in today's topic, we are studying the Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016 along with the latest amendments. This short video provides a quick conceptual overview. For detailed understanding, examples and classification, carefully read the slide content shown on screen. So let us begin with the meaning of biomedical waste. Biomedical waste refers to waste generated during diagnosis, treatment, immunization, research activities or testing involving humans and animals. Now let's come to the major sources of biomedical waste. Major sources include hospitals, clinics, laboratories, blood banks, nursing homes and veterinary institutions. Biomedical waste can be infectious and environmentally hazardous if not managed properly. Therefore, scientific segregation, treatment and disposal are extremely important. Next, now according to Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016, biomedical waste is divided into 4 color-coded categories. First is the yellow category. This category mainly includes incinerable waste such as anatomical waste, soiled dressings, expired medicines, microbiology waste and blood bags. Please read the slide carefully for detailed examples and disposal methods. Next is the red category. It mainly includes contaminated recyclable plastic waste such as IV sets, tubing, catheters, gloves and plastic bags. Detailed treatment and recycling methods are provided on the slide. The third category is blue category. This includes glassware waste like broken glass, ampoules, slides and metallic implants. Refer to the slide for complete classification and treatment details. Finally, we have the white category, also known as sharps waste. This category includes needles, scalpels, syringes with needles and other sharp objects requiring puncture-proof translucent containers. So one of the most important principles of biomedical waste management is segregation at source. Improper disposal can create serious risks to public health and the environment. And for UGC NET JRF and other relevant environmental science and engineering examinations, important amendments and compliance points are also very important. Please carefully read the amendment years, barcoding provisions, online return filing system and key exam points shown on screen. Also remember the common mistakes to avoid such as improper segregation, overfilling bags, not using color-coded containers and failure to maintain records. This quick recap slide summarizes all 4 biomedical waste categories and the most important takeaways from part 1. So in the next part, we will cover barcoding rules, authorities, responsibilities, penalties, amendments and important exam points under BMW Rules 2016. If this short helped you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. See you next in part 2 of this short of BMW 2016 rules. Keep growing, keep practicing and keep preparing for your UGC NET JRF Environmental Sciences and other relevant exams. Thank you so much.